How to add audio spectrum in CapCut PC. First, import your main clip into the timeline. Go to the stock material under the media tab and look for the green screen category. Download the audio spectrum clip. Click on the plus icon to add it in your video and drag it to the top of your timeline. Trim the audio spectrum clip to fit your main video. Select the green screen clip and go to the cutout menu. Enable the chroma key option and use the color tool to select the green color in the clip. Adjust the strength and shadow settings of the chroma key until the green background is completely removed. Resize and position the audio spectrum overlay to fit your requirements. And that's how you can add audio spectrum in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.